Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today's vlog, I will be trying the famous Korean Subway restaurant. Is it a restaurant or a store? I don't even know what they call it. Shabo Subway. Let me show you. Yep, that's it. So I'll be trying Subway for the first time because like today is the last day you can dine in, and I really want to try it. So why not? So you guys come along with me as I go and try Subway for the first time. Not me seeing a Korean Subway, Korean Subway. I'm like, look at all this Subway that you're always eating in Korean. Let me get right. Trash. My $7 wasted because it was so horrible. I had to throw it away. Like I literally forced myself, but then it was bad. I don't know, Sha. But I pick bestseller. I've learned. Anyways, if you have any restaurants you want me to review for you, you can just DM me or comments down below, and I will be reviewing the restaurants for you. Some of the things that shocked me was that they sell weed like in stores. Like weed is like normal. It's not in the like you could literally see weed like anywhere. Like they don't hide it, and I'm like, also like sex dolls are like open like compared to Lagos. That I don't know, maybe like I don't know, but I feel like in Nigeria people will be so ashamed to like go inside, but here it's like nobody really cares, and I'm like really, but yeah, that's it. Okay, bye bye. I think I'm tired for today. My battery is low. See, my YouTube is about to change today because I'm trying for my life. I got it for $59 plus tax, was like $7. The guitar is like 18 inches. I'm trying to set up this ring light and I don't know how to figure it out because everything is in French. I don't get it. Canada is a French and English speaking country, so I get the French, but everything is in French. Like there's no English and French. It's like French only. I don't get like, is it for only French people, English people? Anyways, figure it out. Hopefully, I think I need to stop this vlog so that I can figure it. You guys, finally, like I'm so tired. Like I've been struggling with this stuff. Like if I was in Nigeria, I'll just go and call an electrician to just do this stuff for me. But I'm sure that if I even say let me call an electrician, they'll charge me like $100. So I had to use YouTube to set it up, and I really had I had to use kitchen glue to press this screw in just so that it could stay until it will not break, because this thing ain't cheap. Watch my video, subscribe to my channel please. I need to make YouTube money. Help your girl make some money, because I need to get my money back. I fucking need to get my money back because it's not even funny. Like I've been struggling with this thing for like 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes self. But anyways, I'm doing it for you guys because I love you guys. So please subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friends, and subscribe to my channel because this thing is work. See, stuff is not easy. Just because I'm trying to create better content for you guys. I don't want the lights to be like this. I want my videos to be better because I love you guys. I want you guys to enjoy my videos, so please share my videos to your friends. And this ring light is the Vivita 18 inches ring light. You can find it in Walmart. Yeah, I bought it for $59 plus tax $67. You can find it in Walmart. They can even ship it to you. But I wanted it urgently, so I just went to the store to buy it. I just found the next store that had it, and I went to buy it myself because I need it urgently. So you don't need to walk into the store. You can just order it, and they deliver to you in like 2 days. It's like perfect. Then it comes with like charger. Obviously, this Canada socket type. So yeah, And it's also like chargeable, so like rechargeable. So like, I mean, there's always light, but when there's no light, but I mean, this Canada there's always light, so why would it be rechargeable? You know, but there's always light, so I mean, and this was a good buy too. Because it was the best I got. Because on Facebook Marketplace, I was selling for $80. I'm like, why? Thank God I just said, thank God I just decided to check online and I just found it cheaper sale. It's like, not like the one that I bought on Facebook Marketplace, which was second hand and it was $80 for what you get. So yeah, that was a very smart decision. For me, that's a very smart decision, yeah, so. Unbox my winter jacket for you guys. My sister bought it. It's from Noise. Yeah. Let me open it so that you see it. Don't buy winter jacket from Africa. Just order and buy here because the code here and those winter jackets will sell there. If you just wash it, it's just spoil. It's not good or something. It has expired. So just keep yourself the stress of buying those rubbish and just order online. Always till you get here and order. Let me show you guys my winter jacket. Yeah, I'm entering the Canada spirit. Very heavy. But you get it. I'll show you guys my winter jacket. Very heavy. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to buy. So you can just order. I think it was like 200 and something card. Like 250. Rather 300 and that's it. But yeah, that's how much it was, and it is really thick because this place is the ghetto. This place is the ghetto. This place is really cold. How it looks. Let me wear it. I'll come back. You guys, I'm trying Thai rice for the first time. Review time. It's nice. It's Turkish. But I like it. But it is nice, so it's really nice. I recommend it from Thai. It's really nice. You can just check any Thai express around you. That it is really, really nice. I don't know what this rice is though, but I like it. It's nice. Hi guys, on today's episode of going to Walmart, and I missed, like, I stopped at the bus stop before my stop. You get it? Like, stop at I don't know the name, but like now I have to like start trekking, and it's so annoying, but I'll get used to it and I'll be able to navigate the road hopefully soon. But for now, it's a lot. But I'm excited. I'm going to take you guys along with me. guys, today is so funny. I had to run to catch my bus. 1, 2, and I stopped at a bus stop before my bus because I was just confused. Like, should I stop here or should I go further? I should have stopped. Now I'm trekking. It's so funny because my son is going to laugh so much because I was so disorganized. Oh yeah, see my skin. Hi guys, good morning. How was your night? Hope you slept well. This morning, I can't even lie, like I don't want to only post like the good side. I also want to post like where I'm also not so happy. My mental health is in shambles. I don't know why I even feel this way because it's like, why am I so down? And then this whole YouTube thing is stressing me out with this because like I am overthinking so much because I'm an overthinker. I'm always overthinking everything. I'm always thinking the good, the bad, everything. So I've just been like overthinking it so much. Like I had to go on a walk this morning because yesterday I was in a very good mood and then today is like, I don't know. So I just had to go for a walk. Maybe my head will clear up a bit and I'll feel better. Yeah, so just want to put it out there that it's okay sometimes to feel down, to not feel happy. Sometimes it's okay to just feel that way. Because like we're all human, but we can't always be like so happy or like so excited and stuff. Like there will be times when you are not so happy. So just putting it out there that it's okay to not be happy sometimes. I feel like I'm not happy. I don't know, like I'm happy, yeah, but you get like I'm just overthinking so much and I don't like it. I just hate the fact that I'm overthinking. Like this whole YouTube thing is stressing my emotions. Okay, that is stressing my emotions so bad. Let me check my Thank God I'm on a walk. I just discovered a new skating rest. Where the skates? I'm definitely going to come here very soon. Definitely. So yeah, this is our kind of close because of COVID and now there's no more dining. So like you can't just like walk in to eat in a restaurant and stuff. Yeah. But let me check the map so that I'll not miss where I'm going to. So yeah, like says go to World Public Library. This is my walk. Yep. Come along with me. I saw that skating place and I'm really shocked. I didn't know something like that was around this work area. Public library is like 13 minutes walk from my house. So like I'm almost there. Let me check the map because this Google map is confusing my news. I'm unboxing my metabus for you guys. Let me pause this video and open it up for you guys to see my metabus. Yeah, it's from Uggs. Yeah. This is me. Finally, you guys, I'm a size 11 Canadian size. Yeah.